Good evening, everyone. Very good evening. Am I audible to you all? Let me know if I'm audible to you all, everyone. Okay, guys, just go through the yesterday's concept. I'll ask you questions now. Okay, go through the concept 2 minutes. Guys, okay, as soon as I told oral mock, people left actually. So, okay. So, guys, did you go through the notes and programs? You guys have any doubts? Anywhere, any doubts you have? You can let me know. Guys, did you go through the programs? The designs and all, whatever I have sent? Guys, tell me one thing. Are you guys going through the programs? Are you finding the logic easy? Are you understanding the logic? Okay, anybody is facing any issue like not understanding like that things? Is anyone facing any issues with understanding the designs? Let me know. Okay, if you don't have any issues, then we shall start with today's class. Okay, so today's class we shall start with one design. Okay, we'll start with one design wherein we will have we will have yes, Lipsa. Lipsa, tell me. Any doubt? Lipsa, you are not audible, Lipsa. Only some background noise is coming. Lipsa, you are not audible. Lipsa, you are not audible. Some background voice is coming. I don't know, that GUI voice is coming. So, yes, if you have any doubts, you can let me know here. Any doubts is there? You can let me know here. Guys, if you have any doubts, you can let me know. Later, you should not tell ma'am didn't clear doubts. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can let me know. Okay, if you don't have any doubts, then let us proceed with the programs. In scanner class, I am getting 3 errors. I am not able to send here. After this is saying so Eclipse is not opening. Okay, place the cursor on the errors. What errors you are getting? Tell me. In scanner class, you are getting. First of all, check whole spelling. Okay, check the spelling. If the spelling is correct or not, check it. If the spelling is correct, still there is a problem, then make the scanner. If you're writing scanner class outside the main method, prefix static to the scanner. You have to write static before writing scanner. Okay, like that you can avoid errors. Okay, so see the design properly first. Okay, whatever is there, see, I have executed in front of your eyes only, right? So you just execute that. In case you're getting any error in that line, go through the whatever the pics I've sent you, just go through that. Wherever you have errors, just go through that from top to bottom, go to the code. Still you are getting, if everything is same, but still you are getting in same, like whatever errors you are getting, though writing everything is same, then it's a problem. We can discuss about that. So don't worry about this. You can go through the this one, you can go through it. And still if you have any issues, you can let me know, we will solve it. Okay. Okay, so what we shall do is, today we shall go with one design actually. Okay, so we shall do one design wherein your toString equals and hash code will be there. Okay, we'll do a design. In which you will have toString equals and hash code methods will be overridden. ToString equals and hash code methods will be overridden. Okay, so let us get into the design first. Okay, first let us understand the design first. Okay, then it will be very easy for you guys to know. Okay. Okay, so let us carry on with our design first. Okay, so I hope you guys have gone to the airport and all. If you have not gone, at least you would have watched in movies. Okay, let us take this. Okay, now, so we'll have three classes actually. Currently three designs, three class will be there. Okay, first one here will be class airport, and here will be class user, and here will be class ticket. Class ticket. Okay, now there is a has a relationship going on between these two classes and these two classes. Okay, now there is a has a relationship going on between these two classes, as well as there is a has a relationship going on between these two classes. Okay, just a second. Okay, now let us write the class names here. Okay, so your class name for here is, and to the RHS side here you have a class user. You have a class user, and this user have few attributes, that is username. Now if you are prefixing hyphen for username, if you are prefixing hyphen for username, okay, hyphen for username, okay, we shall go for only readable here. Okay, then for the contact number, also it's a private number, so we can go for readable. And gender also we'll go for only readable. Okay, so in the user class, that's all we will do. Okay, next let us come to class ticket here. Class ticket, in the class ticket we'll have ticket number, private member, ticket number. Ticket number is only readable because once generated, ticket number once generated, it can't be changed. It can't be reinitialized, or it can't be changed. Next we shall go for boarding. So boarding and destination both are private, so let us go for boarding. Okay, boarding we can both read and we can modify also. Okay, next we shall go for destination. Okay, it's both readable and modifiable. Next, coming to your main class here, that is class airport. Class airport. In the airport class, here we have airport name. You can make airport name as static because airport name once written it, I mean once given it can't be changed later. Airport name once given it can't be changed later. So airport name you can take as a static. Okay. Now after this we shall go for the design here. I mean the remaining methods here. See, if you are having user and for a user there is a ticket, okay, for a user the ticket has been booked, then obviously the user is going towards a airport. So airport will have airport name, and we shall have one, I mean four methods we shall have a few methods here. We shall go for pink here. Okay. So we shall have method that is book ticket method. Book ticket method. Then we shall go for cancel ticket method. Okay. Then we shall go for modify ticket method. Okay. Then we shall go for the last method that is ticket details method. Ticket details method. So this is your design, and in this design we shall override toString equals and hash code methods. We shall override toString equals and hash code methods, and we shall also do constructor overloading and constructor chaining. Okay, so this is the thing here happening. Okay, so this is your design. Once again, okay, just a minute. Okay, so this is your design here, and in this design we have class ticket airport user. Okay, user is has a relationship with airport. Airport is has a relationship with ticket. Okay, that is user and ticket both has a relationship with the class airport. Now in this ticket and user class we shall override toString equals and hash code methods. ToString equals and hash code methods. And we shall also go for constructor overloading and constructor chaining for this class ticket and class user. For this class ticket and for the class user. Okay. So this is your design. So let us take a snap of this for the future reference. Okay. So let us just take the snap of our design for the future reference. Okay. So this is your design. Now what we shall do is, yes, hyphen indicates a private. Yes. Next what we shall do is, see, either of the class you can start creating. So first we have to go for Eclipse. Let us open the Eclipse first. Okay, let us go for the Eclipse first. Let it open. Okay. See here, as you can see, everyone tell me which class you can create first. Whether you can create a user class first or you can create a ticket class first. See, airport is dependent on ticket as well as user. Airport is dependent on ticket as well as user. Now, which one to be created first? Whether we have to create a ticket or we have to create user. Okay, which one? User, ah? Okay, user only. Okay, why not class ticket here? Okay, why can't we create a class ticket first? Tickets depending upon user, ah? Okay, have I given any dependency Okay, see, anyone we can create first. It's not like you have to create user only first. Thinking practically, if you're going for booking a ticket, of course you have to become a user. But how you can become a user is you can have a passbook. I mean, sorry, what you call it as ticket will be only if there is a user. User will book ticket, right? Yes, user will book a ticket. But here, do we have any dependency? Do we have any dependency between user and ticket? In the design, I'm asking you. You can change the design where user is there only, you can go for ticket. Okay. So currently, there is no relationship between user and ticket here. Okay. Currently, there is no relationship between user and a ticket. So we can create user also first. In the design, I'm telling, while writing airport code, user also is needed, ticket also is needed. While writing airport code, if user is there only, we'll go for booking ticket. See, while going for airport class, for booking a ticket, we will check if user is there or not. After checking user is there, then only we are creating a ticket for the user. Okay, there we will go for the validation. I am asking you here in this design, which one we can create? Either ticket we can create or user we can create. We can create both, but while validating, we have to validate properly. Okay, so we have to validate properly. So okay, what is this? Okay, let us remove this. Okay, so we shall take one. Okay, we shall go for your batch, that is E23, and we shall go for SRC, and we shall go for one class, that is your which one we shall go for? Okay, we'll go for oops. In the class oops, we shall go for class user first. You can create user also. Okay, you can create ticket also. Okay, firstly you can create user also. Firstly you can create user also, and you can create a ticket also. So guys, are you getting any background noise? Is any background noise disturbing all of you? Like in case if you are okay, just a minute. Guys, actually, some Ganesha they are taking actually. So my house is near to that, so I will not be able to completely avoid the sound. So if it is disturbing more, just let me know. We will close the batch for today. Let me know if it is disturbing more or what. No, it's not coming, but it's fine. Okay, because we can't talk anything in terms of God. No, like this application is also not working. I have to do some this one for this. Okay, so just wait for some time. They will go off. Okay, so please don't mind. Only for today, you will have to face this. That's it. Okay, so let us concentrate on our concept only. Okay, so okay, just a minute. Wait a second. I'll just try to have an headset. I mean headphone. Just a minute. Guys, am I audible now properly? Everyone, let me know. No audible, like with less sound. Let me know. Okay, guys. Okay, okay. Yeah. So we shall go for the first one, that is user. See, we can create parallel first user class. We can create first ticket. We can create, but without user, we can't go for ticket. Okay, without user, see, you also know the logic. Without a user, how can you book a ticket, right? So in the same way, without a user, you can't do it. But user class and ticket class separately, we can book. I mean, we can create. Okay. So user class, first thing is we shall override to string equals and hash code, but before that we have to write the attributes of the class user, right? So since it is private, we shall go for private string username. Okay, then comes your private long contact number. Next, private string gender. Okay, next we shall go for constructor overloading and constructor chaining for this class user. Okay, we shall go for constructor overloading and constructor chaining for this class. Okay, now, so overloading and chaining, we shall start with the class user of no argument constructor. Okay, with no argument only. Next, we shall go for next constructor, wherein you will have the attribute, first attribute, that is username, string user name. And here first you have to call no argument constructor set, that is this of no argument. And next, this dot username is equal to username. Now after this, we shall go for the next constructor. So username, and we shall go for which one, that is contact number. So this of username, because already one constructor is working on it. So next, this dot contact number is equals to contact number. Next, we shall go for the next constructor, wherein we'll have gender here, attribute gender. Next, username comma contact number, then this dot gender is equal to gender. Okay, so that's all about your constructor overloading and constructor chaining. That's it. Next, we shall go for creating a getter and setter methods for these private members. So as you can see in the design here, for the private members, all are readable only. All are readable only. Not one of them is writable. All are readable only, because user is already created. We can't change any details of user because it's already validated from the government. Okay, so user details, once it is validated, like it's, there will be a proof for the user. This is the name, this is the contact number, this is the gender of the user. So that's it. And we shall go for creating just getter methods for all these attributes. Okay, now we shall go for okay, let me mention here what we have done here. We have done here constructor overloading and constructor, okay, we'll just chaining. Okay, so currently we have been doing constructor overloading. Please increase the volume. Okay, is this volume fine? Pooja, is this volume fine? No. This volume? Now? Okay, now? Not audible properly? Then there is some problem. Guys, what about others? Are you able to hear me? Are you guys able to hear me, everyone? Guys, what about others? If you guys are able to hear me? Okay, then Pooja, there is some problem in your this one. Okay, so make sure you have an headset. Okay, have an headset or earphone. Okay, connect to it. You will get it. Okay, so here we are doing constructor overloading and constructor chaining. Then we shall go for creating getter and setter methods. Okay. Okay, so we shall go for creating getter and setter methods. Okay, so currently your class user needs only getter methods. Class user needs only getter methods. Okay, no setter methods. So we'll just create getter methods. So for all the attributes, we shall do getter methods public. And the first attribute username return type is that is string. So public string get username method and here we'll return user name here. Next, after this, we shall go for the next method, that is your the long attribute public long get contact number method, and will return contact number. So after this, we shall go for gender public string get gender method, and will return gender variable. That's all about your private members. Next, we shall go for overriding toString equals and hash code. Overriding toString equals and hash code. Overriding toString equals and hash code. Now let us go for overriding toString. So we shall go for annotation at override. We shall go for the first method, that is public string to string method. To string method. In the toString method here, now we shall return the data here. We shall return the data first. We shall return the username. Then we shall return the contact number. Then we shall return the gender. Excuse me. So here we are going for toString, overriding toString. Next we shall go for overriding equals. Okay. So public equals return type is boolean equals of object O. Next. Okay. Next what we have to do is we shall first downcast. Okay, we shall first do downcasting. Okay, so downcasting, how we can do to the class user u is equal to user of, go for object. Then we shall return this dot username dot equals of u dot username. Okay, next we'll go for and. Okay, we shall go for and. Excuse me. Okay, so first one we shall go for this dot username dot equals of username, and next we shall go for this dot contact number equal to u dot contact number. Okay, next, and the last one, that is a genders, this dot gender dot equals of u dot gender. So currently we have compared all the attributes. Username, contact number and gender. Username, contact number and gender. Okay, now comparing is done. Next we shall go for overriding hash code. Public int hash code method. So hash code we shall go for return objects dot hash of we shall go for username, then contact number, then gender. Okay, so this is how, in case if you want, you can just write an annotation here to override for all the three. You can write, no problem. If you don't write also it will work, but if you write it will work as an extra validation here for the compiler. Okay, so this is how you override toString equals hash code. So what we have done, we have a private attributes here. We have done constructor overloading and chaining. Then we have created a getter methods. Setter methods we can't create because it has not been told there. Okay. So after that, we shall go for overriding toString equals and hash code. Next, lastly, we shall go for one method, that is user details method, because we have to know all the details of user. Okay. So we shall go for user details method. So method name public void user details method. So in user details method here, we shall go for attributes, just printing them attributes. That is, we shall tell username. We shall go for username variable. Next, we shall go for contact number. Contact number. And go for contact number variable. Then last one, we shall go for this gender variable. Okay, so we shall go for variable gender. So that's it in your class user. Okay, that's all in your class user. Next, we shall go for your class ticket. Okay, we shall go for your class ticket. Okay, hope you all have understood class user. Now we shall go for the class ticket. We shall go for the class ticket. In the ticket class also, we shall go for all these things. In the ticket class also, we shall go for all these things. Okay, so we shall go for private members. We shall go for private members. We shall go for overriding, I mean, constructor overloading and constructor chaining. And we shall go for creating getter and setter methods, and we'll also override toString equals and hash code methods in your class ticket also. Now let us go for creation of class ticket here. Ticket. So ticket, we shall have the attributes, that is private members. First one is ticket number, which is only readable. So private, and again private int ticket number. Okay, so private int ticket number. Then we shall go for boarding. Private string boarding. Then comes private string destination. Okay, so we have ticket number, boarding, and destination. Only 3 attributes we have in class ticket. Class ticket. Okay, next. So next, what we have to do here is very simple. We shall go for constructor overloading, and chaining. Constructor overloading and chaining. For the class ticket, we shall go for ticket of no argument constructor. Okay, so we shall go for here. Okay, first ticket of no argument. Next, ticket of, we shall go for int ticket number, and we have to call this ticket of no argument constructor. So this dot ticket number is equal to ticket number. Next, ticket of, okay, we shall copy this only and we'll edit. Extra one attributes we can have here, that is a string. That's a boarding point. String boarding point. Here using this call statement, we shall go for ticket number. Then here we shall go for this dot boarding equals to boarding. Okay, next. Last one we shall go for destination also. Okay, so we shall mention that destination also. Destination. Okay, and already there is a constructor which is working on ticket number and boarding point. Okay, now here we will go for destination, and here also destination. Okay, so this is how you can go for your ticket constructor overloading and constructor chaining. Now next what we have to do, okay, next what we have to do, very 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 simple. We shall go for creating a, we shall go for getter and setter methods. Okay, next thing is we shall go for getter and setter methods. Getter and setter methods. Okay, so getter methods you have to create for all. Okay, setter methods only for boarding and destination. So getter methods you can create for all. So first one shall go for public, for the first for ticket number. So public int get ticket number method, and we shall return ticket number. We shall return the ticket number. Okay, next next one we shall go for your boarding. Okay, so public string get boarding method, and we shall return boarding. Next we shall go for next destination. So string get destination method. We shall go for returning the destination. Okay, now we have created getter methods. Now only setter methods we have to create for both boarding and destination. So setter methods. We shall go for public void. So first for the boarding. Okay, so public void set boarding method. So when you are setting the boarding, you have to take input from user. Okay, so we shall go for string boarding. So now we shall initialize the boarding to this dot boarding is equal to boarding. So this dot boarding means it's a original attribute. Okay, next we shall go for destination, that is public void set destination, and we will go for destination. Here we'll go for this dot destination is equal to destination. We have done with getter and setter methods. Next we shall go for overriding toString method equals method and hash code methods. Now first one we can go for at override. We shall go for toString public string toString method. We'll go for return. Okay, toString, what we can tell here? We shall go for ticket number. We shall show here the toString. Then we shall go for boarding point. and next we shall go for destination also. Okay, next. So after going for toString, we shall go for equals also. So public boolean equals of object O. Then we shall go for downcasting to the class ticket. Class ticket T is equal to ticket of O. Then we shall return this dot ticket number equal to T dot ticket number, and this dot boarding dot equals of T dot boarding, and this dot destination dot equals of once again, where is it? Okay, just a minute, guys. Equals of T dot destination. T dot destination. So here we are done with overriding equals method. If you want, you can mention the annotation at override. Okay. Next we shall go for overriding your hash code. Okay. So at override, then we shall go for public int hash code method. We shall go for returning objects dot hash of, and we let us mention all the attributes here, that is ticket number, then boarding, as well as destination also. So here we are done with the overriding toString equals and hash code. So what are the things we have done? Constructor, we have written private members, constructor overloading, constructor chaining. Okay, then getter methods and setter methods, and overriding toString equals hash code. Now, 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 next what we shall go for is one ticket details method. Okay, we'll go for one method, public void ticket details method. So here in the ticket details method, we shall tell ticket number. To go for ticket number variable. Next, we shall go for the boarding point also, and we shall go for destination also. So here we shall go for boarding point. Boarding point. Go for boarding. Next, we shall go for destination. Okay. So here we have ticket details method. Ticket details method wherein we have ticket number, boarding, and destination, and all the details. Okay, so this is about a class ticket, and very easy. It's very easy. See, excuse me, user and ticket is almost similar. Everything is similar. Every way of doing everything is similar. Okay, but you have to concentrate a bit. Okay, so once again. Excuse me, guys. Some firecrack sound is happening because today they are leaving Ganesha. So obviously, drum sound, firecracking sound only for today. It will be there. Okay, please don't mind. Okay, so next, let us go for your class. That is airport. Class airport. Now, if you see the design here, user is having a has a relationship with the class airport. Ticket is also having a has a relationship with the class airport. Okay, both are having has a relationship with the class airport. Both. So what we have to do now here? What we have to do now here is we have to mention both class ticket as and class user. We shall go for class ticket and class user mentioning in this class airport. Okay, so we shall go for first we shall go for airport name. In case if you have seen the design here, first we have airport name. Okay, we shall go for that first. So airport name don't change, so let us take it as a static string airport name. Airport name is equal to airport name is equal to. Okay, so we shall go for Kempegowda airport. Okay, which is in Bengaluru. Okay, Kempegowda airport is there. Okay, so next, in order to achieve has a relationship between the class user and the ticket. In order to achieve has a relationship with the class user and ticket, you have to mention both user and the ticket inside the class airport. So we shall go for user u and we shall go for ticket p. Now here we have achieved has a relationship. Okay, let us mention here. Here you have achieved has a relationship. Okay, so currently now we have achieved a has a relationship. Next. Okay, so we are done with that. Now let us go for the methods. That is your book ticket method. So first method, let us go for the book ticket method. So public void book ticket method. See, for booking a ticket, we need a user also, we need a ticket also. We need a user first, then with the user we can book a ticket. Right? With the user we can book a ticket. Okay. Now, so we have to mention both user also, user u, and we should go for ticket t also. Now, first of all, for booking a ticket, we have to check if user is there or not. We have to check if user is there or not. Okay. So first user should be checked. If user is not there, then only we have to create a user. If user is not there, then only we have to create a user. Let us check if this dot u, if it is equal to null, means if there is no user, we shall create one user. So this dot u is equal to u. So after creating user, we will tell user is created. After creating user, we will tell user is created. Okay. Now after creating user, we have to book a ticket. And now first we have to check if ticket is booked or not. First we have to check if ticket is booked or not. If ticket is booked, we don't have to book again. We can tell ticket is already booked. If ticket object is not there, which means currently ticket is not booked. Okay. Now here we shall go for if this dot ticket is equal to null, means currently if ticket object is not there, If ticket object is not there, we shall go for booking a ticket. We shall go for booking a ticket. How? This dot t is equal to t. Just a ticket object we have created. Then we will tell. Then we will tell ticket is booked. Then we shall tell ticket is booked. Okay. Now after this, okay, after user is created, after ticket is booked, what if his ticket is already booked? That means what if this condition is false? What if this condition is false? If this condition is false, which means the ticket is already present. So in the else part, we'll mention that is ticket is already present or already booked. We can tell ticket is already booked. This is all happened when there was no user. All this has happened when there is no user. But when there is user, okay, when there is user, we shall tell user is already present in the else part. Sometimes what happens, you don't know where to write else. See, so many brackets. Can you see so many brackets? You might get confused. So go to the starting point, select this bracket. Okay, where is the ending bracket? Here. Now from this, you can start with else. Okay, now else we have. Now if user is not there, I mean if user is already there, we can tell user is already present. If you're creating user again, if you're trying to create, you shall tell user is already present. User is already present. Okay, so this is your book ticket. See, think practically. If there is no user, we are creating user and we are checking if ticket is there or not. If there is no ticket, we are booking a ticket, or else we will tell ticket is already booked. Okay, so this is about a book ticket method. This is about a book ticket method. Okay, now let us go for your next method, that is your cancel ticket method. Shall go for cancel ticket method. So public void cancel ticket method. So for cancelling the ticket, we need just a ticket number. Okay, for cancelling a ticket, we need a ticket number. So we shall go for int ticket. We just need a ticket number for cancelling a ticket. Excuse me. So here for cancelling a ticket, first we have to check if user is there or not. Okay, if this dot user. Now, so for a change, we shall change the logic here. For cancelling a ticket, we shall tell user should not be equal to null. Means user is present. Means user should be present. When user is present, we will just tell here if this dot ticket is not equal to null. Means when ticket is already present. When user is there, and when ticket is there, user object is there, and when ticket object is there, we shall go for checking the ticket number first. Okay, if user is there, fine. Ticket is there, fine. We have to go check the ticket number first. We have to go check the ticket number. If the ticket number is matching or not, we have to check. Okay, so we'll go for if t dot get the ticket number is equal to user given ticket number. If private member t dot get ticket number is equal to okay, ticket number, user given ticket number. If the ticket number is matching, we shall go for this dot t is equal to null. So we can nullify the ticket object. We shall go for nullifying the ticket object. When we can nullify the ticket object, when the ticket number is matching. When the ticket number is matching, we shall go for removing the ticket, that is cancelling the ticket. Now, after canceling a ticket, how we can cancel a ticket? By nullifying the ticket object, right? How we can remove, deactivate? So we have seen in the previous program, you remember how to deactivate? Just nullify the object. To deactivate, we can just nullify the object here, okay? And here also in the same way, if you want to remove or cancel the ticket, we shall go for nullifying the ticket object. When? If the ticket number is matching. Now, if the ticket number is not matching, in the else part, if the ticket number is not matching, we shall tell, okay, what we shall tell? No ticket found. Okay, we can tell more things here. Okay, we can tell ticket number not matching. And ticket object is there only, no, we have entered here. Okay, we shall tell ticket number is not matching. Okay, this is when the ticket number is correct. When ticket number is correct, we will cancel the ticket. Then we have to tell the user that ticket has been cancelled. Ticket has been cancelled. Now after this, next we have gone for else. When the ticket number is not matching here, control comes to else and we will tell ticket number is not matching. So this all happened when there is a ticket object. When there is a ticket object, all this has happened. But if there is no ticket object means, okay, here there is a if, and for this if we are just creating else here. Okay, if there is no ticket object here, then we can tell ticket is not found. Then we can tell ticket is not found. Ticket is not found. What if user is there only, all this drama has happened? Okay, if user is there only excuse me, if user is there only, all these things are happened. If user is not there, we shall tell what we can tell. If user is not there, okay, we shall tell no user to cancel the ticket, we shall tell. So here is a if, and for the if we shall go for else here. We shall tell no user is present to cancel the ticket. Okay, so when there is a user, when there is a ticket, we have checked the ticket number. If ticket number is correct, we have removed cancel the ticket and we are telling ticket has been cancelled. But if ticket number is not correct, we can tell no ticket found. Or we can just tell ticket number is not matching, or okay, we can just customize there. We can tell no ticket is found with this number. Okay, we can just tell no ticket is found. Okay, this is enough. Okay, so this is in the if else. If correct number we have given, it will remove. If not, we will tell no ticket is found. If there is a ticket object only, all this happened. If there is no ticket object, we will tell no ticket to remove. We will tell, we are just customizing no ticket to remove. So we are in a method to cancel ticket, right? So for removing, we are seeing here. Okay, next. If user is not there, if user is there, all these things has happened. But if user is not there, we shall tell no user is present to cancel the ticket. No user is present to cancel the ticket. So this is about a cancel ticket method. And I really hope you guys are understanding. Okay, don't get confused. It was just a decision statement. If else, nested if else, that's it. Okay. Now, now we shall go for modifying the ticket. Now we shall go for modifying the ticket. So public void modify ticket method. So for modifying ticket method, we need all the details. We need ticket number, we need ticket number, we need boarding point, and we also need destination. Okay, we also need destination. Okay, so for modifying ticket, we shall need ticket number, ticket number, boarding point, as well as destination. Ticket number, boarding point, as well as destination. Okay, now now next what we shall do here is, okay, just for modifying ticket, see, if ticket number is matching, then only we can go for changing boarding and destination. See, in case if you have modified ticket some other time, anytime if you have modified the ticket, okay, I mean details of the ticket, suppose you want to change the destination, or you want to change the, one second guys. Excuse me guys, one second. Oh, little confusing. What for confusion here? See, just think practically. Okay, okay, just let me know. Have you guys understood this method? Book ticket method. Do you guys understood? You guys understood book ticket method, everyone? Okay. You guys understood cancel ticket? Cancel ticket also understood? Okay. So understood. Okay, cancel ticket understood means that's a good thing. So cancel ticket first, if user is there, if ticket is there, if ticket number is matching, we are canceling the ticket, and we are telling to the user ticket has been cancelled. After that, if the ticket number is not matching, we should tell no ticket is found, because if you are giving wrong ticket number, then obviously the application will tell no ticket is found. Surely application will tell no ticket is found. Okay, now now in case if there is no ticket object, we shall tell no ticket to remove. We can just tell no ticket is present to remove. Okay, and if user is not there, we shall tell no user is present to cancel the ticket. That's it. Okay, it's very easy. If you see, you'll understand. Okay, okay guys, your counselor is here. Okay, we'll resume back after the requirement announcement. Yes, Vandana, you can carry on.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening, guys. This is Vandana from the announcement team. Is my voice is audible? Today, I'm here to announce the requirement and new batch update. I'll be sharing the screen. Hope the screen is visible. This is testing requirement. Please check the snap of this slide. For the testing requirement for first destination, both 26th and 27th September will be a interview date. Guys, once the class 10 go through with the requirements thoroughly, if you are eligible for any of these requirements, within half an hour you have to share the details to the HR team. Your name, contact number, company code. They will revert back and help you for the registration. I'll be moving to the next slide, guys. This is development requirement. Please take the snap of this slide. For this development requirement, guys, if you have completed any gaming project, those candidates are only eligible for these requirements. I'll be moving to the next slide. This is experience requirements. Please take the snap of this slide. For the experience requirements, guys, if you're eligible, you need to share the updated resume along with the company code or the name, whichever they have mentioned, along to the number which has been mentioned in the slide. Okay, I'll be moving to the next slide, guys. This is also experience requirements. Please take the snap of this slide. I'll be stop sharing the screen. Guys, I've shared you the new batch links in the broadcast, guys. Hope everyone received. Those are looking for the advanced selenium. It will be starting from 27th September. For the testing student, uh, selenium should be completed when only you are able to attend the advanced selenium classes. And those are looking for the SQL and aptitude. It will be starting from 25th September. For that, both testing and development students will attend the classes. There is no prerequest. If you have any queries, guys, please let me know. Project class, you need to wait. We'll update you. Okay. Any other queries? Okay, guys, that's it. We'll update you, guys. You need to wait for the project class. Guys, if you're not okay with the time slot, please ignore. We'll let you know the new batch after 20 to 25. Okay. That's it from my hand for the today's class, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you, mom.
Okay, guys, we'll resume back. See, logic is very simple. Don't just misunderstand all these things. Okay, logic is very simple. What you have to do is you have to just see for if what is the else part which you have given. Okay, it's very easy. You can understand. Okay, so let us go for the next method, that is modified ticket method. Next method, that is a modified ticket method. See, for modifying ticket method, first ticket number should match. But before that, we shall go if we have to check. See, first we have to check user is there or ticket is there. So two conditions will include in one. So go for if this dot t not equal to null and this dot u not equal to null. If this dot t is not equal to null and this dot u not equal to null, then we will check the ticket number. See, if this dot u not equal to null and this dot t is both means ticket is also present and user is also present. You can just tell like this also. You can just go for first user also and you can go for ticket here also. Anything is fine. So and operator you already know, if user is there and if ticket is there, then we'll go for checking the ticket number. If T dot ticket number get ticket number T dot get ticket number, if it is equal to user defined or user given ticket number, if ticket number is matching, if ticket number is matching, both boarding and destination you can change. So T dot we shall go for setter method set boarding. Okay, and we shall go for T dot set destination. We'll go for T dot set destination. So when the ticket number is matching, we are we are going for changing the boarding as well as destination. Next, if ticket number is matching only, we are able to change. But if ticket number is not matching, if ticket number is not matching, we shall go for telling um no ticket found. Shall go for no ticket is found. Why we have to tell no ticket is found? We can tell no ticket is found when the ticket number is not matching. Obviously, when there is no ticket number, with whatever the number we have given in the database, obviously we'll get no ticket is found, right? So the same thing. Next, in case at least if user or ticket, if any one is not there, if user is not there or ticket is not booked, if user is not there or ticket is not booked, at least anyone is not there, in the else part of it, in the else part of it, we shall tell, here, okay, in the println statement we shall go for telling no user is present and no ticket is booked. Okay, see, listen everyone, listen carefully, it's very easy. First, to modify ticket, we want to modify the ticket now. Okay, we want to modify the ticket now. Now for modifying the ticket, we have ticket number, boarding and destination. We have to check if user is there and ticket is there. If user object is there and ticket object is there, then we will check the ticket number. If ticket number is matching, if ticket number is matching, we shall go for setter methods of boarding and destination, because boarding and destination are the private members. So here we shall go for setter methods of boarding and destination, and user given boarding and destination will be reinitialized to the original attributes. Okay, so if ticket number is matching only, we are able to change both. But if a ticket number is not matching, we shall tell no ticket is found. We shall tell no ticket is found. Excuse me. So after this, when we tell user and at least user is not there or ticket is not there. If user is not there, or ticket is not there, anyone is not there, anyone is not there also, will not be able to get the, we will not be able to modify the ticket. So we shall tell no user is present and no ticket is booked. So this is about your modified ticket, and I hope you understood. Next, for the last method, we shall go for, the last method is your ticket details. We shall go for ticket details method. Public void ticket details method. Ticket details method. See, to find the ticket details method, first we have to go through ticket number. Okay, now we have to check first if user is there and ticket is there. Okay, you can go for if this dot user not equal to null and this dot ticket not equal to null, which means both user and ticket should be booked, present. Okay, both ticket and user should be present. After this, we will check the ticket number. If t dot get the ticket number, t dot get the ticket number is equal to user given ticket number. If it is matching, we shall go for showing both user details also, ticket details also. We shall go for showing user details also, ticket details also. So u dot user details method and t dot ticket details method. Okay, so this is how you can show both user and ticket details. Just if you show ticket, obviously user details also will be there along with it. Okay, so we have both user and ticket details method. Okay, so this is when ticket number is matching. If ticket number is not matching, you already know. So we will tell no ticket is found. Shall tell no ticket is found. So this is when there is user and there is ticket. This is when there is user and there is ticket. Okay, and next, if there is no user or if there is no ticket, if there is no user or if there is no ticket, okay, anyone. So we shall tell the same sentence again in the else part. That is, you can just go for here shall tell no user is present and no ticket is booked. No user is present and no ticket is booked. Excuse me. So this is about your ticket details method. So we have in the airport class we have created a airport name. Okay, we have created a static airport name. Next we are achieving has a relationship here. So we have gone for user and ticket inside the class airport because we have achieved has a relationship. Okay, so for booking a ticket if you have to go for creating an object for user and the ticket also. Okay, now if user is not there we have to create a user and we have to tell, I mean obviously you know this, we have a book ticket method, cancel ticket method, modify ticket method and ticket details method. So now we have completed with our four methods. Next we shall go for your airport driver class. We shall go for airport driver class. Okay, so let us save this and we shall go for airport driver. So let us create one class C plus airport driver class. So okay, just a minute, let me ask any one of you. Nikhil Rajkumar, can you unmute and tell me what is the first step of taking input from user? Nikhil, can you tell me what is the first step of taking input from user? First step of taking input from user, Nikhil. First step of taking input from user. Okay, so can anyone tell me what is the step 1 to take input from user? Step 1. Yes, import scanner class from java.util package. Yes, guys, correct. Good. Okay, first step is we have to import java.util.scanner class. Next, we can make the scanner class as a static. We can make the scanner class as static also. Okay, so usually we don't make it as a static. So just let us go for main method. If you want, we can make it as a static. You can write outside the main method also. That's also possible. Okay. Okay, so after that, now let us create an object for scanner class. Scanner this is equal to new scanner of system dot in. Next, now what we shall do is we shall create an non-static variable can't access in static method. Non-static variable can't be accessed in static method. Obviously, see, if you want to access a non-static member, you need an object reference. If you want to access any non-static member, you need object reference. That is true if you're accessing within the static method, obviously you need a object reference. But in non-static method, I mean in non-static places, whether it's a multi-line initializer or a multi-line non-static method, wherever, for inside non-static, you can directly call non-static without any reference. Directly by name you can call, but within static context, you can't call a non-static member directly by the names. You have to call them with the help of their object reference. Okay. So next, we shall go for creating an object for your class airport. So we shall go for airport class airport A is equal to new airport of argument constructor. Airport name, if you want, you can mention here in the constructor if you want. Okay. So this is how shall go for object creation of class airport. Okay, so after this we shall give few instructions for the user for booking a ticket, for canceling ticket, for modifying ticket, for ticket details, and for the exiting. For all these, we have to give options, and those options to be repeated again and again till the user exits. Till the user exits, all the options to be repeated again and again. Now what we have to go for is, we will go for one boolean variable. Boolean exit is equal to true, and we shall go for while of exit variable. Okay, now what we shall do is, in here, we will take a while loop. Okay, we've already taken while loop. Next, what we have to do is, we shall go for uh, options. Okay, we shall go for options to show the user. So we shall go for options to show, and we shall tell enter your choice. We'll tell enter your choice. And the first choice we can give is, yes, the first choice we can give is, yes, Saurabh, correct. We'll go for choices now. So first choice we can give is, that is book ticket method. Book ticket option. Second option we can go for cancel ticket. Third option slash, and we'll take you to the next line. Okay, so slash n3 dot. We shall go for the third option. We shall go for modify the or modified ticket. We shall go for modified ticket. Fourth option we shall go for ticket details. Fifth option shall go for exit. So here we shall go for int choice variable is equal to sc dot next int. Now the best decision statement we shall go for is switch. Best decision statement we shall go for here is a switch off choice, and we shall go for case 1 here. In the case 1, okay, in the case 1 here, case 1 is what? Book ticket. Case 1 is what? Book the ticket. So for booking a ticket, we have to go for username, contact number, gender, ticket number, boarding point, and destination. So we need all the details. So one by one, let us take all the details. Okay, so we shall go for last user, enter user name. Okay, and we'll just continuously last, later we'll store in a variable. Last user, enter contact number. Then we shall go for enter gender. We shall go for enter ticket number. And we shall go for enter boarding point. Enter boarding point, and we shall also go for asking user to enter destination. Ask user to enter destination. Now we shall go for storing them. So enter name we have taken in a string. So string name variable is equal to sc dot next. Now suppose if user's name is more than 3, like more than one, suppose more than one variable and more than one string the user is having. So first name will be there, second name will be there, third name will be there. So I mean first name, last name, middle name, like that it will be there. So what we shall do is we shall take multiple string inputs from user. So sc dot next line we shall go for, and just like this if you do, we shall end up with some bug. So this whole sentence taking input from user will be skipped. So what we have to do is we have to reinitialize. We have to reinitialize name is equal to sc dot next line, so that you're creating an extra space and you're just getting out of the bug here. Okay, so it will take whatever name you give, your n number of strings you give, now it will take everything. Okay, so next let us go for contact number. So long contact number is equal to sc dot next long method. Sc dot next long method. Next let us go for entering gender. Obviously gender will be 2 only. So it's string gender. Yes, gender is all over 3. Third gender also is there. Okay, let it, whatever one word we can take. Sc dot next method. So we are entering a gender here. Okay, we are taking a gender in the string. Next we shall take ticket number. So int ticket number is equal to c dot next. Okay, so after this we shall go for entering a boarding point. We shall go for entering a boarding point. So boarding point also can take in a string only. Just a minute. Excuse me guys, there was some background noise. Okay, so we shall go for boarding point. So boarding point we can take it as a string boarding is equal to sc dot next destination also string destination is equal to sc dot next. So next what we can do is we shall go for calling the book ticket method with the variable a. So airport a is here, airport a is here. So with the help of variable reference variable a here, we shall call the book ticket method. So a dot a dot book ticket method. Now book ticket, see you have to create both user and a ticket. So separately you have to create. Now let us create an instance for user. Now so user, as you can see it's a overloaded. So we will take the last one wherein new user name contact ticket number will be there. Next here we shall go for an instance of new ticket. Okay, new ticket of all the details. Okay, next. So new user of obviously name contact number and ticket number is there. Yes, then yes, new instance of user is also there. Okay, so in user class what we have in the constructor, um username contact number and gender. Okay, okay, username, okay, gender. Okay, so next ticket number, boarding and destination. Okay, fine. So a dot book ticket method wherein we have just mentioned the user object as well as a ticket object. User object as well as a ticket object. So user of name, contact number and gender is here, and ticket instance of ticket number, boarding and destination is here. Okay, next. So this is how you can go for can go for booking a ticket. This is how you can go for booking a ticket. Why we are taking new user, new. See, we have to create an instance of user and ticket, right? See, the airport class, in a book ticket method, we have a variable of user and ticket. We have user and ticket references here, where we can create objects. We can create objects for this when it is called. So in the book ticket, we have formal arguments. Now in the actual arguments of the book ticket method called statement, we shall create an instance for user and we shall create an instance for ticket. This is what we call it as a late instantiation. Okay, late instantiation from the method book ticket method. User we have, comma ticket we have. So since we have user, we will be creating an instance for user, and since we'll have ticket here, we'll also create an instance for ticket also. We'll also create an instance for ticket also. Okay, so that is why we will go for creating object for user also as well as ticket also, because all this should execute, no? So that is why you have to create an object for user as well as ticket. Yes, Imanshu got it. Okay, so we shall go for a break. After this, case 1. Next we shall go for case 2. So in a case 2, we shall go for, okay, cancel the ticket, right? So case 2 is cancel ticket. For canceling ticket, nothing much is needed. For canceling ticket, just ticket number is needed, that's it. Okay, so we'll ask user to give the ticket number. We shall ask user to give the ticket number. So if ticket number is matching, we shall go for a dot cancel ticket method. If ticket number is there, then there is no problem. Next, go for a break. Case 3. So case 3 is okay. So modify ticket. So for modifying ticket, we shall go for okay, for modifying ticket, we need a ticket number, boarding and destination. For modifying ticket, we need ticket number, boarding and destination. All the three things we need. So let us mention all these three here. For modifying ticket, we need ticket number, boarding and destination. So okay, let us call that method, that is a dot modify ticket method. Ticket number, boarding and destination are there. Next we'll go for a break. And in the case 4, okay, let us see what is the case 4. Case 3 is modify ticket. Okay, case 4 is ticket details method. Okay, fine. So for ticket details method, we shall go for ticket number first. Okay, you just take ticket number. Okay, so we'll just go for ticket number here. Now we have ticket number here. We shall go for a dot ticket details method. Ticket details method. Okay. After case 4, we'll go for break here. And in case 5, So in the case 5, we shall go for okay, exit. So we shall go for exit variable initialized to false. We shall tell them thank you. Okay, thank you. After that, we shall go for break. Shall go for default case now. Shall go for default now. Now, if you're going for default now, yes, we have to tell invalid choice. Please check again. Please check again. Okay. The background noise are getting, that is, are you getting a very high background noise? That's I already told you, it's like they are taking Ganesha to Visarjan. So only for today there will be some sound, because my home is near temple. So okay, so only Saurabh is getting background voice. Now okay. Man, that means if nobody are getting, only you are getting, maybe mic issues you are having. Check once. Okay, so okay, so this is what we have done. So we have completed or we are done with our design. Now let us start executing it. Let us start running our code. Okay, listen everyone carefully. Before booking ticket, before booking ticket, we shall go for canceling ticket. Option to enter ticket number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What are we getting? No user is present to cancel the ticket. Fine. Next, we shall go for modifying the ticket. Ticket number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boarding point, some destination. What are we getting? No user is present and no ticket is booked. Okay. Next. So ticket details has been asked. Ticket number has been entered. We will tell no user is present and no ticket is booked. No user is present. No user is present and no ticket is booked. Okay. So after this, now we shall suppose if we enter wrong answer, wrong input, we will tell we'll get invalid choice. Please check again. Invalid choice. Please check again. Okay. now now we shall go for booking ticket. Option number 1, enter username. Okay. So I'll just enter Kumar. Contact number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gender, ticket number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember the ticket number. Ticket number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, boarding will go from Bengaluru to Mangaluru, or just we can just go for Delhi, or we can take, okay, we'll just take Delhi. Okay, now what are we getting? User is created, ticket is booked. Okay, user is created, user is created and ticket is booked. User is created and ticket is booked. Okay, done. We have created an object. After this, now if you go for ticket details, you have to enter proper ticket number. If you enter wrong, you will be getting no ticket found. See, I've entered wrong ticket number. What are we getting? No ticket is found. So we have to enter a proper ticket number. So we'll go for ticket details, option 4, ticket number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, so what are we getting here? Username, contact number, gender, ticket number, boarding point, destination. You're getting Delhi because just a minute. Here some maybe ERR has come. That is why. 1 second. Destination. Where is it? Shall go for checking it in a here. Okay, 1 second. Okay, not here also. Maybe in the class. Excuse me. Okay, ticket. Here in the place of out, we have gone for error. Okay. So now we have given data. Okay, later you can change it. If you execute, now it get normally. All the details, user details as well as ticket details are also there. User and user and ticket details are all there. Okay. Next. After this, now what we have done, we have taken the ticket details method. Okay. Next, we shall go for modifying the ticket. Option number 3. Ticket number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For modifying the ticket. So boarding point, see what was the boarding point here? Boarding point Bengaluru, destination Delhi. Now we'll go for boarding point. We will change it. Okay, now boarding point will change to Mangaluru. Destination will be Punjab. Next. So here it has been changed. Okay, we have not written anything to just tell that it has been changed, but it has been changed. It has been changed. To make sure it has been changed, now again we'll go for ticket details method. 345. Now, can you see here? Boarding point Mangaluru, destination Punjab. Boarding point Mangaluru, destination Punjab. Okay, so have we changed the boarding and destination details? Yes, of course we have changed. Of course we have changed. Okay, next. Okay, ticket details done, modify done, booking done. Now let us go for canceling the ticket. So while canceling a ticket, we have just given a ticket number 12345. What did we get? Ticket has been cancelled. Ticket has been cancelled. Okay. Now, since the ticket has been cancelled, obviously there will be no ticket. Obviously there will be no ticket here. Okay. So since there will be no ticket, then you can't do anything. You just go for ticket details, enter ticket number. Okay, what are we getting? No user is present and no ticket is found. And no ticket is booked. So this is because you have removed the ticket object. This is because you have removed the ticket object. And this is how your program goes. Can we again book a ticket with the same ticket number? Yeah, we can do it. We can do it. So let us go for booking a ticket again. Option number 1. Enter username, Kumar, contact number, gender, ticket number, boarding point, Bengaluru, destination, Mangalore. We have taken Delhi now. Okay. So okay, so what are we getting? User is already present. Okay, so user is already present, so it is not allowing. So what we have removed here is okay, cancel ticket. We are canceling the ticket. So user is already there. Okay, so we cannot create a user again, but we can book the ticket. So for that we have to change the code here. Okay, for that we have to change the code here. Explain case 1, 2, 4 again. In the airport driver, this is not a method, this is a case block. See, we are taking all the information from user. Whatever is the user details also, as well as ticket details also we are taking. We are calling book ticket. Excuse me. Okay, exit not done. Yeah, you can exit if you want. It will surely take out of the program. Okay. So here book ticket method is there. Okay. Then here we are mentioning user and we are mentioning ticket here. We are mentioning user here and here we are mentioning ticket here. Okay. So since we have mentioned user in the formal arguments, we shall go for creating an instance for the user here. And here we have mentioned ticket object, so we'll go for creating instance for class ticket. We'll go for creating instance for class ticket here. Okay. Next, case 2, you have to cancel the ticket. You have to just take a ticket number. It will be cancelled because we have already created a method for it. Okay. Next, if you want to modify ticket, you have to take ticket number, boarding and destination. You have to take ticket number, boarding and destination for cancelling a ticket. I mean for modifying ticket. For cancelling, just ticket number is enough. For modifying, exit not done, hence it shows username already present. Yes. Exit not done, but if exit not done, okay, we shall do exit, but again we can do it. I'm just seeing a bug here. Okay, 1 second. You can exit and you can redo it again. That means you'll be creating a new user. Currently user is already present, only ticket we have removed. We have removed only ticket, we have not removed user. We have only removed ticket, we have not removed user. Okay, so that is why when you are creating an object, I mean booking a ticket, it is taking a ticket also, like a user also it is taking, it is creating a new user. So what is the solution we can do here is, we shall go for class airport here. Okay, so this dot user not equal to null, we'll go for this dot u. Okay, user is created. So if there is no ticket booked, we'll just tell ticket is, we'll just create one ticket object, book it. Okay. Okay, while canceling a ticket we need user also. Obviously we need user. While canceling ticket we need user. Without user how can you do it? So if your user, if you're canceling a ticket, user is already there. Okay, and you're canceling ticket, if you're canceling ticket, only ticket will get cancelled, user will not get cancelled. But you didn't take what, man? What I didn't take, let me know. Ticket we need user also. Oh, you are telling you need to cancel the user also. You're telling you have to cancel the user also, huh? Okay, we can do that also. Okay, so this dot u can go, user is created. Okay, so if ticket is not there, we have created ticket. Okay, we shall go for, okay, okay, so we shall go for here canceling ticket, cancel ticket. Okay, so when user is there, when ticket is there, when ticket is matching, when ticket is matching ticket number, we are making the ticket object null, and we shall also make user object null. Obviously when there is no ticket, for the ticket there will be no user, you can take in this way also. When there is no ticket, obviously for the ticket there will be no user. If there is no user, if there is user only, no, will get ticket. So if there is no user means there is no ticket. We can just make this like this also, this dot u is equal to null. We can overwrite the username. No, we can't write the username. No, see there are so many ways of doing this. So canceling ticket, you can go for while canceling ticket you can remove the user also, because once, see two ways are there, either you can modify here, you can modify here, or you can modify in a book ticket, you can modify in a book ticket. So after creating user, okay, so if ticket object is not booked, we can go for creating a ticket and we have to tell ticket is booked. Okay, if user is already there, we are just telling user is already present. When user is already there, we are just telling user is already present. Okay, so so what's happening here is, okay, let us execute the code once again. Just a minute. So let us execute the code. Let us create one object for the book. Exit, and you can exit. So if you go for 5, obviously it will thank you and it will take out of the program. Then you can freshly you can create one more object. But our aim is, so first booking ticket, username, contact number, gender, ticket number, boarding point, destination. Okay, see user is created and ticket is booked. Now we shall go for which one will go for canceling ticket. Ticket number 12345. So what are we getting here? Ticket has been cancelled. When ticket is cancelled, obviously user is also not there. Okay, when user is also not there. Okay, so because of that user, okay, so this is the problem here. User, I mean the code is perfect, but here we have small bugs. If user is already there, okay, I mean if there is no user, we are just telling user is created. If already user is there, we are telling user is already present. Okay, user is already present, and if you want to book a ticket, you can book a ticket here. So we can go for this option also. So we shall go for this option. Okay, user is already present, then we shall go for this. Okay, We have changed in the book ticket. So let us execute now. Okay, booking ticket. Booking ticket will go for contact number, some random numbers. I shall give it you this neatly. Okay, now we'll go for cancel ticket. Ticket number. Ticket has been cancelled. Ticket has been cancelled. Only ticket has been cancelled. Now we'll go for book ticket again. So what are we getting here? User is already present, we are getting. Ticket is booked, we are getting. User is already present. Okay, this is a bug. Okay, we'll resolve this tomorrow. Everything is proper only. Okay, so the bug here is everything, all methods are fine. In a book ticket method we have little bug here. So book ticket, if already user is there, so we can remove both user and ticket also at a time, but we don't want to do that. Always user should be there, because user will have a passport, right? User will have a passport. Okay, if it is for airport, so obviously user will have passport. User means a traveler or whatever you can take. Obviously they'll have passport. So though they have passport, okay, okay, that customization we'll do it tomorrow's class. Okay, I'll send you the code. The customizations we can do tomorrow. Okay, I'll tell you what to do in tomorrow's class. Okay, so currently this much is enough. Okay, so this much you guys have understood, everyone. Has everybody understood the code till here? Whatever has been done? Everybody understood? Let me know. Okay, then, guys. Okay, fine. Okay, design and the code will be sent. Okay. So make sure you go through the design and do some customizations. First, to do the code properly. Okay. Again, if you want to create an object, that means if you want to book a ticket, okay, we'll go for that code. Okay. Now time is already 9:07. We'll do it tomorrow's class. Okay. Customization we'll do tomorrow, and whatever has been done till now, you guys do it. Okay. Yes, guys, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's class. Make sure you execute the code and come. Okay. Yes, guys, have a great evening. Take care. Bye bye. Yes, guys, good night.